All right, distributive property. We are going to use the distributive property to simplify our expressions in, well, here we go. Negative 1/3 times 3n minus 6. Now remember, when we use distributive property, that means that anything that's being multiplied on the outside of these brackets belongs to everything inside. So it's like if this was pi, you're sharing it with everybody. So we're going to rewrite this to show that we have just shared it. So just some algebra on the side. If we have a times b plus c, that's going to look like a times b plus a times c. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Negative 1/3 times 3n. And in this case, we have our negative sign, so minus negative 1/3 times 6. Okay, so now all we need to do is multiply appropriately. When we have negative 1/3 times 3n, that's negative n. So negative n. And when we multiply this out, negative 1/3 times 6, that's negative 2. So minus negative 2. Now we see here that we have our subtraction here, and remember when we subtract, we just need to add the opposite. So we're going to go negative n plus, we're changing this, and we're going to add the opposite. So the opposite of negative 2 is 2, negative n plus 2, and that's all we need. Now if you need this worked out, go ahead and check out our video that we did earlier on multiplying fractions, and that'll help you. All right, now let's do one more. Let's say we have 5 times negative x plus 3y. Well, remember, we're doing the same thing. We're sharing this 5 with everything in these brackets. So we're going to rewrite this as 5 times negative x plus 5 times 3y. Now we're going to be able to multiply appropriately. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. And 5 times 3y is 15y. Now we can't go any further because we don't have like terms. So we're done. This is our answer.